Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today they've asked us to calculate the simple interest on 3,500 Rand invested at 6% per annum for 3 years. Now they've specifically asked us for the interest. Now there are two ways we can do this, and I'm going to show you both ways. The one way is slightly longer, but it's good because it gives you a feel for the different formulas that you need to know. Remember, if you don't know these formulas, there is no way you'll get these questions right. You have to know the formula. All right, so the one way is we use the simple interest formula, and that is A is equal to P 1 plus I N. So the difference between the simple interest formula and the compound interest formula is that you find your IN within the bracket. When you use the compound formula, this N sits outside the bracket as an exponent. Right, so let's see the information that they've given us. They've said to us 3,500 Rand is what we invested. So that would mean our primary or our principal amount would be 3,500 Rand. Okay, 1 plus. Then we have I, the interest rate is 6%. We know 6% is 6 over 100, or we can represent it as 0,06, and we put that in brackets. And they've said for a period of 3 years. So we're going to put the 3 in brackets there and close off those brackets. Right, now you put all of that into your calculator, and I'm going to do that with you. Remember to use the brackets correctly. If you don't, you're going to get the wrong answer because we need BODMAS to work for us. So the answer there is 4,130 Rand. Okay, 4,130 Rand. Now, some of you will make the mistake of finishing off your answer there. The reason it's wrong is they haven't asked us for what the amount is at the end of the period. They've asked us what the simple interest is. So they're asking us how much has your money grown over those 3 years? And we know to calculate interest, we can say the amount that we had at the end, so the accumulated amount, minus the principal amount would give you the difference in size. So that would be 4,130 Rand minus the 3,500 Rand we started with, and that is going to give us 4,130 minus 35 gives us 630 Rand. Remember your units, 630 Rand. So that's the amount you've earned over that 3-year period. Now the other approach is where we can go straight into our answer. And again, we need to know our formula. So it's going to be interest is equal to our principal amount, okay, our number of periods, and the interest rate. So we're going to plug all of those things in. So we've got 3,500 as our principal amount. We know it's for a period of 3 years, and we know the interest rate is 0,06. If we plug all of that into our calculator, it's going to give us 630 Rand. So can you see how much quicker it was using this approach if we know the formula versus that approach? That's all from me, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Thank you very much to our sponsors for making this video possible. Read up about them in our description below. Remember to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to the question that you're asking, you can send us that question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.